Ever been tagged in an Instagram story and didn't know how to repost it? Or maybe you want to reshare a story the right way without messing it up. Most users miss one small step and get confused. Today, I'll show you exactly how to repost an Instagram story to your own story in seconds. Hey everyone, welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where I make social media tips simple and beginner-friendly. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to repost or reshare a story on Instagram the correct way. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and launch the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account. It's always best to update the app to the latest version to avoid missing features. Once you're inside, we're ready to begin. Step 2. Now open the story you want to repost. Usually, you can only reshare a story if someone tagged or mentioned you in it. If you were mentioned, you'll receive a notification in your direct messages. Tap on that story to preview it before resharing. Step 3. Look at the bottom right corner of the story screen. Tap on the share icon, the paper airplane symbol. This button opens sharing options for that story. Make sure you tap the correct icon and not the message reply bar. Step 4. From the sharing options, select Add to your story. This will open the story editor screen. Here you can resize, reposition, or add stickers, text, or GIFs. Customize it if you want before posting. If this tutorial is helping you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. I post simple, updated Instagram and social media tips that save you time, so turn on notifications so you never miss a new trick. Step 5. Tap the arrow button. Once you're ready, tap the arrow icon at the bottom right corner. This takes you to the final sharing screen. Here you'll see different sharing options available. We're almost done. Step 6. Tap share. Finally, tap share next to your story. Within seconds, the story will be posted to your profile. Your followers will now be able to view it just like any other story. And that's it. You've successfully reshared a story. And that's how you repost or reshare an Instagram story the right way. It's quick, simple, and perfect for sharing mentions or collaborations. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and let me know what Instagram feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching Preyo Phonie, where tech is simplified and social media becomes easy. I'll see you in the next one.